Hello friends, welcome back to Healthy Samayal. Today let's prepare sandwich with leftover tomato and coriander chutney. For tomato and green chutney recipe, check the description box. Take 3 slices of bread. Apply melted butter on 3 slices of bread. Apply tomato chutney on 1 slice of bread. Similarly, apply green chutney on another slice of bread. On 3rd slice of bread, you can apply curd. Just flip 1 slice of bread on the other. Apply some mayo and spread it over. If you like it, you can even add a slice of cheese. It's completely optional. And just cover it with another slice of bread. On the both sides, just apply some butter. Now let's grill this bread. On the stove, you can just grill it on both the sides. And our chutney sandwich is ready. It's very simple and tasty sandwich recipe which can be made with leftover chutney. Try this wonderful recipe at your home for the breakfast. Wow, it looks so yummy and tasty. I hope you like this video. Keep watching Healthy Samayal. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you.